Hello everyone, welcome back to a long overdue visit to Digger Evans Model Railway. You'll notice I've been absent a while. We had a death in the family and it fell to me to organise everything from moving the body across the country to coroners, lawyers, doctors and everyone else, and organising family coming here from all over the place as well. Finally it's all sorted and done with, and I'm hoping to get some sort of normality back. This is the first video. What you're looking at, or what we're all looking at here, is a low relief building from Scale Model Scenery. You buy it in a kit, sorry about this. You buy it in a kit and you add your own frontage and roof. What I've used here is plasticized bricks on the front, which are come in a big plastic sheet like this. You paint them up red. This is red oxide motor car undercoat paint, and then I've added the usual dust colour to mimic some of the detail of the of the pointing and things, you know, the cement between the bricks. I'll bring this forward. The little drain pipe on the end is a relatively new kit that Scale Model Scenery's done. Sorry about this, I'm just getting used to this camera mount. It's going to spring back up, damn thing. And it's I can show you those. The laser board, laser coid, downpipes and soil stacks, LX55400. No doubt they'll be coming out in N and things soon. And there's just a series of things you can cut out to make pipes. They're not as fiddly as the plastic or the resin 3D printed ones. They're not as fiddly as those to put together, but they're slightly less realistic, maybe. I don't know, you know, have a look, because you can still see the brackets where they fasten onto the wall, and the hopper at the top, things like that. That's the rain hopper at the top. And once they're on the building, they look all right. I like them, and it saved me some messing about using that kit rather than the resin printed one. But there is now a resin printed one, but has all the bits already printed on. You just cut it to length and drop it on. I've added the doors and windows and things. You can interchange these doors and windows any way you want and make it look all right. The roof, you can see, is nowhere near finished. That's because I'm adding the tiles. I'm making it look like it's half demolished, and the tiles have been removed already, the slates or whatever. And there's a couple, yeah, I put a couple of gaps here and there where the slates have slipped, and you can see a loose one there and what have you. Now these come in a sheet of weathered tiles, weathered slates. I'll show you that sheet. I no longer have the paperwork to tell you what this kit is, but I can look it up and put it in the put it below the video afterwards. I'll leave a link to any of these things, and if you buy it using that link, it helps my channel. These are the roof slates, and they're pre-weathered, so it's just a matter of cutting them out and sticking them on. And to stick them on, I've just used rocket card glue. I just put a blob on each spar going across, and a little bit at the top edge and stuff like that, and it's worked out well. I'm pleased with it. It's going to go on the new extension not too far from the hotel. See if I can get it all into view there. And it's a nice little kit. I do like it. I'll put a link to how you can get one, and it is actually, it's good fun. It's a nice kit to build, and it wants some more weather in it. As you can see along the bottom edge, it wants some dirt, it wants some rain marks coming down here and there where the troughing's been removed and stuff like that, and it's going to look pretty good. It's going to look pretty good in situ. So thank you all for looking in. Thank you everyone who stuck by me and sent me messages and what have you during this last few weeks. It's been a very trying time. It's been a struggle, really has. And there's one or two friends, I'm not going to embarrass anyone by naming them, but you know who you are, mate. And I just appreciate your kindness and your friendship so much, mate. And everyone's been great with me, so thank you all ever so much. Please do take care, and I shall see you all very, very soon on the next video. Bye bye for now, my friends.